Hi everyone from Cook's Travel. Today we are at home, not outside. It's too cold out there, so I decided to cook at home today. As you see, we always just making some special dishes from my notes, and today I'm gonna show you how to make it BASA fillet. The reason I've choosing that one, the BASA fillet has been on high in demand in even the restaurant businesses. They got so many specialists on that one. It's a little bit budget fish. People find it's not very quality, but actually I'm going to show you how to make the really nice BASA fillet. The reason people stay away from this because it's a frozen dish, come from outside of Australia, Southeast and South Asia. Very special rivers for this. There are two rivers. One of them is the Chao Phraya River and one of them is the Mekong River. It's very high in protein and low in calorie, and a little bit less on omega-3. It's definitely a boneless fish, and we usually get it as a fillet in frozen boxes in Australia. It's about $10 to $15. Sometimes it just goes a bit higher. It's a very budget fish and you can find it anywhere in Australia. Especially in restaurant businesses, chefs sometimes get very low budget level fishes or other ingredients. So if you can make those ingredients exceptional dish, for serve, the BASA fillet, the fish you are going to learn. So now I'm going to show you how to marinate it and how to cook it. There are a few basic ingredients you usually put, and there are some other ingredients you need to put for BASA fillet. Especially the lime, citrus flavor. Some people put lemon. I usually use lime. Lime is more sweety, so it's pretty easy to use and pretty nice flavor it comes up when you cook the fish. Apple cider vinegar, I'm going to talk about this one. It's a very special vinegar in vinegar families. It's a full of flavor and very healthy. So we drop some of those ones in. That goes in. And white wine, all about your choice. Just drop it, half glass of it for two fish fillets. Lemon juice or lime juice I'm gonna go for. I've got lime juice today, so fresh lime juice for two. Probably I'm gonna use 2 wedges of it. Yes, 2 lime juices. Rosemaries, fresh rosemaries, just keep on top of fillets. Must fresh garlic, just around it. We're gonna keep this one into the fridge for not less than 2 hours. As well as garlic, I put fresh ginger, already cut it. Just a small amount because we are making only 2 fish. Yes, that's it. It looks nice, isn't it? We're gonna go for olive oil, fresh extra virgin olive oil. I'm gonna add salt and pepper. Usually I use cracked peppers and Himalayan salt, these pink ones, probably you know about it. Rich in minerals. We're gonna put a lot of it, quite a lot. That's it. Now marination is ready. As you see, looks beautiful. I'll grab the tongue and flip it over. A bit more salt and pepper. Now we're gonna keep this mixture and fish in fridge for not less than 2 hours, and I'm gonna come back with it. Yes, we are back to kitchen now for cooking process. like a pan for especially using for fish cooking. Olive oil. If you are cooking any seafood, it's better use olive oil. Rich in flavor and easy to cook. Beautiful. It's very healthy. Let the pan and oil heats up to the cooking process. Now fish goes into the pan. Try not to overcook, so you'll be watching it all the time. It's gonna be great fish because it's always boneless, mild in fish flavor. Some people don't like the fish flavor, so this is the one of the fish. You can have it if you don't like the fish, strong fish flavor. Use always gloves because the oil can spill on your skin and burn it. Have a quick check if it's having a golden color. Look at this. It's nearly there. I try to flip it over, the fillets, only once, but sometimes you need even more. It's all about you. Now I'm gonna flip it over. I'll drop a bit more oil. And we'll only wait now. By the way, I'm gonna prepare my serving plate. Seasonal salad. Try to keep your plates always warm. With this basic method, you can prepare any fish you want. This type of fish, like a BASA fillet, got no skin, no bones, and easy to handle, easy to cook, and gives really good taste. A bit more rosemary's. It's gonna give beautiful, beautiful smell. I love it. And when you're serving, again, what we served when we were marinating it. It's like a dressing. Put it on the side. I'll add some chilies on it, or side, all up to you. It's my favorite. And fish is ready. I recommend you to have BASA fillet and make it this way because it's pretty easy and always great taste, 5 stars. BASA fillet with salad and lime sauce.